Presenting a pre-owned 2023 Toyota Highlander. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 88,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door, locks, stability control, and traction control.